Yo, good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda and welcome to this YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down this is a trade setup we took last week using the knowledge of what I'll be teaching here today. Okay, it's all about understanding what weekly profile. You understand, and how you understand this weekly profile is by what this weekly backtesting we do frequently, right? So this was a trade we took on Thursdays. Okay, and everything is being posted on the what Telegram channel. So do well to join the Telegram channel. The link will be at the video what description. And also I update my thoughts and everything here, right? And also as you can see, this is a withdrawal made from my Forex fund, my Forex fund account also. You understand, this was a profit we made, it was withdrawn also, and they paid very very fast. Everything is being I do talk about everything in the Telegram and also teach. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the idea behind the trade and how we would make the profit. So in backtesting, remember what we do as we do it. Okay, I believe most of you has been following. We should have learnt more and understand better currently, right? So you start from your Monday, draw a vertical line on your Tuesday. Okay, you also want to draw a vertical line. Believe me, this Tuesday Wednesday trade was called, but I did not like take the trades. Okay, but I told them also, those in the Sundas FS VIP group. So if you want to join our VIP group, you want to learn more, you need a private mentorship or teaching, do well to also what contact me. Okay, so you do how to contact me. So once you draw a vertical line like this on the daily, identify which day was a low of the day formed. Let's zoom in more. Okay, you see that the low of the week was formed on Wednesday. Okay, so overall I was bullish on the week, so I expected Monday Tuesday to come down. Wednesday actually did what formed the low of the week, which is here. Then Wednesday also formed the high of the week. Sometimes it's just left for Monday, but here in this case, Wednesday formed the what low of the week. So using this Wednesday forming low of the week as confluence when I'm bullish overall, it was that gives me the measure of confidence to take this buy. But believe me, this buy took I was expecting a fast movement, but sometimes the market is not that volatile anyway. It was very slow, so we just back 30 pips, but it's currently up 60 something pips, which is not bad. Okay, from what we are looking at for overall. So if you break down to the lower time frame, remember what I told you guys in the subsequent backtesting videos. Remember, every day has the what high and low of the day. Okay, every day has the high and the what low of the what day, and it's for you to what understand when it's forming, how it's forming, time is forming, and how to take advantage of that. So you can see why I took out this race. Once this impulsive first move happened, this was where I closed. You can see it came back to my entry. I did not enter again. I was just watching the market. So just try to go up here and still come back down again. When you see some trades like this, it takes more strength and psychological strength to hold on to it. And it's a 2 days, it's not really a 1 day trade. Probably that my analysis was for that day, for to take the day trades, right? So I was not to hold for long. And overall, the market is consolidating anyway. I was anticipating an expansion higher because if you look from the weekly time frame, you will see that we are what bullish overall. You understand? So that is basically that for now. And as you can see, classic price action playing out here. Many people will not understand what is happening here currently. It depends on the way you view the what market, the way you are what looking at the market. So I'll be removing these vertical lines because now I've seen so many stuff I've seen. We have been doing this for long and we have understood it better. So if you have not actually understand how to do backtesting, do well to check out the playlist section on our YouTube channel. You see some videos I compiled about weekly or back testing. Then you do have to go through it, and I believe you will understand better. So now I want to proceed further to the weekly time frame to show you the analysis overall on Euro USD. Okay, this Euro USD right here also on the weekly time frame. Let me zoom in. So overall, I remember I've been anticipating this bullish move since, and I've been talking about it. You guys should look out for the bullish price action. So now currently you can see where the market is, and believe me, this gap looks that it's filled, but like there's another block right here. So let's can also just pull out your rectangle. But I think the market is taking out these old highs. Okay, that is no if it will come in by the weeks or anything. So overall, this is where price is actually was trying to draw to, but you don't expect it to go straight up. You might actually expect to see a retracement lower a bit, then go in there. But overall, have in mind that we are what strongly what bullish. So any down close you see, or any downward move is an opportunity for what buys, not really to sell. Okay, so you just expect lower prices, but like it must not happen this way, it must not retrace this way. Okay, you understand? But any downward or anything you see, just it's also you have to factor so many other things. Not like any day you see a bearish day or anything, you start selling or buying. So all these are in context. But overall, this bullish on euro US. Euro is currently what bullish overall. Okay, but doesn't mean you should just buy in immediately or start selling for a retracement. No, there are some other things to what look out for in price action before you take your trade decision or your trade analysis, which is not really what I'm talking here currently, like discussing here currently. Okay, so all I'm trying to say is weekly backtesting is necessary. It gives you and helps you to understand your, like, gives you more confluence overall in your trading. For a better trading, you understand, for a better trading. So that is it for today. I just decided to do this quick video review. Please, for those that did not really understand what we meant by backtesting or anything, do well to check out our previous video. I believe you understand better. This video is strictly for those that actually want to understand the process and seeing how what we have been discussing about gives us the confluence to take a trade. So once again, thank you for watching this YouTube video, and